you guys are new here, my name is Joell. Hello, how are you? And if you're not new, you know it's your girl Joell, okay? Today's video is going to be me styling my hair. This hairstyle, I've been wanting to do it for a little while. Ever since I seen it on TikTok, I was like, ooh, I need to try that. So today I'm just gonna be doing some sparkly, fairy type knotless braids. I'll show you how it looks over here probably. So yeah, that's the hairstyle I'm gonna be doing. So for this hairstyle, you're gonna need like some sparkly tinsel hair, I'm pretty sure it's called. And this is how it looks. I got these from Amazon. Ooh, sparkle. But yeah, you're gonna need some of these. It's pretty long, as you can see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 of these here. So you're gonna need some of this. Also, I wanna add some color to my hair. So I got this hot pink color. And I'm trying to have my hair long like Rapunzel, okay? So I got this hot pink hair. I got some regular 1B black. All the other stuff that I have this Shine and Jam. And then I have my Rattail Comb. And then I have a hanger. I know you're like, Joell, why in the world do you have a hanger? Like, what's the hanger for? It's to hold my hair when I part it. Cause you know how like some of the real like braiders be having like the whole stand and stuff like that. If you don't have a hair holder stand, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And you can use a hanger. A hanger is gonna work the same way. The only thing is it's not gonna have enough space, but you know, it still get the job done, okay? So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. I'll leave everything in the description box below just in case you guys wanna try this hairstyle as well. So my hair is already like kind of pre-parted and everything and ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna do the back of my hair and then I'm gonna come back to you guys on how I actually do this style and how I incorporate the sparkly tinsel hair as well, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you stay tuned for this video to see the end result because I'm so excited to see how this look, y'all. I'm really am. I'm be walking around like I got diamonds in my hair and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back and this is how my hair is looking. You can see the sparkle in it, obviously. So I opted not to do the pink hair because I felt like it would have been like too much with the sparkle and the black, and I don't know, it was just too much for, you know, look I was going for or whatever. But yeah, that's how it looks. So now this part, I'm gonna just show you how to like do the knotless braid. I know I probably showed you guys how to do the knotless box braids in my other videos, but you know, I'm gonna show you again just for you know, show. So I'm gonna put my hair back and I have these 2 twists in the front. So I'm gonna take this twist out. I have this twist right here and I'm gonna just comb it, and then I'm using the Shine and Jam. If you see me looking like to the side a little bit, I'm looking at myself to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna put some jam on my hair all around the perimeters, and also I have my mirror over here too. So I'm gonna put some jam on my edges so my edges could be out and around my perimeter to make sure, you know, that's, you know, sleek, okay? Now for the adding the sparkle to the hair part. So I parted some, you know, braiding hair. There's the braiding hair right here, and then I have the sparkle hair right here, as you can see. For each section, because I wanted my hair to be a little bit more sparkly, to say like, oh look, my hair is sparkly, instead of like the subtle sparkle like, oh, her hair is like twinkling a little bit, but I wanted more, you know, shine bright like a diamond, okay? So for each little part I put 2 of the sparkle string thingies in there. So these are the 2. I know you probably can't see it, but those are the 2. I'll take those out. put this to the side. I take these and I just add it to the hair and just, you know, grip it with the hair. So for each braid that I have, I only use 3 parts of extension hair that are this size. So I have 2 other ones that are this size that I'm only going to use for 1 braid. Because I know a lot of people be asking that. Let me show you. It's only because I have the silver hair with it. This is 2 right here. And then I have 3. These are the only 3 pieces that I'm using for 1 braid. Oop, see, I'm dropping it already. So to get started, I part my hair into 3 sections. 1, 2, and 3. So these are 3 sections, as you can see. And then to start the knotless braid, you start with your hair first, so it won't be no knot. That's why it's called a knotless braid. So I have my 3 parts and I braid twice. So that's 1 and then 2. Then as you can see, I have my thumb and index finger holding onto this piece of hair. So now I'm going to take the extension here and put that right in between where my thumb and my index finger is. So I did like that. See? And then now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I think I do like 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? And then now my hair is with the knotless hair. So then I just keep braiding down, honestly, until I feel like I should add more hair. Now I'm feeling like I should add more hair. I have the 3 parts right here. 1, 2, and 3. So I have my extension here. I put it on this part, and the hair that's holding this part back, I'm gonna use that and put it over there and not grip it where my thumb and index finger. So as you can see, this hair is over it. So then I'm gonna continue braiding just like that. Make sure to kind of twist as you braid as well, so all the parts can like be seamless. And then to add my 3rd and last piece of hair, I'm gonna wait until my hair runs out to, you know, keep the same thickness as it was when I was braiding with my hair, if that makes sense. And like every four like turns of you braiding your hair, make sure you like untangle it at the bottom, because with the sparkly hair it does get, you know, tangled fast. So now I'm gonna add the last piece of hair. I have 1, 2, 3 parts. To add the hair, I put it with I pinch my index finger and my thumb, and I take these 2 and I grab the hair from over there. And then it's still my 3rd part. I grab the hair and put it with this, okay? And then as you can see, it's over my thumb and index finger. And then you braid like that. Make sure you twist in as you braid as well. Braid, braid. And that's basically it for the braid. Now I'm gonna just finish this braid and I'll come back to you guys. So I'm done with that braid and that's how it looks. And then now I'm not gonna talk for this one. So you guys just need to watch closely, okay? I'm done with this braid as well. And I'm basically just done with my hair, and that's how you do it. That's how you do the braids. Okay, so let's talk about the ends of the hair. As you can see, it looks like this. Hold on. Looks like this, like the sparkle goes all the way to the ends. Usually with box braids, you like dip it in hot water, but for this, because the sparkles go all the way down to the end, I don't want to dip it in hot water for the fear of it like shriveling or melting or something like that, and I just don't want to deal with that. So for me, basically what I'm gonna do is just like braid it all the way down to the end and put gel on it, because when I was putting gel on it while I was braiding my hair, I saw that it was blending in with the extension here. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And any excess sparkle hair that's like sticking out, I'm gonna just cut it off and, you know, just go about my life like that. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna come back to you guys later with like my face done and stuff like that. I'm probably not. Hey guys, so I'm back. I don't know how many days it's been, but I just wanted to come back and show you like a real end result of the hairstyle that I did. I'm currently filming on my phone, so bear with me. So this is how it looks. All sparkly and nice, and yeah. And this is just the end result. I just wanted y'all to get like a better, you know, video of how it actually looks. But yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys try out this hairstyle because, you know, it's like a really fun look. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my other videos if you haven't already. And bye. Bye. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now.